What's up, YouTubians? We are back with the Baja, but today is a very special day because if you notice down here at the bottom, we now have a tag, insurance. We are legal. Levi gave me a hand earlier. We changed out the seats. Found these actually on Marketplace. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Definitely not as rough as the other seats were, so that's good, but starting to get some rain clouds moving in. So we're gonna go ahead and run down, throw some gas in this thing, and take it for its first drive. Let's go. All right, we got some gas. Got ourselves about 3/4 tank, just about. We're charging. Got our seat belts on. Let's go see what this thing will do. Hey, look.
That's what that switch is for. Big.
Wiper.
Hey, hey, hey. Sunroof.
Sunroof. I don't know how fast I'm going. We have a tachometer. All 4 gears work. Brakes work good though.
Uh-huh.
Good job on those, bud.
Yeah. We should go Chick-fil-A tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, we should take us to Chick-fil-A tomorrow.
We can do that.
I'd say so.
Hey, look, I got turn signals.
Yeah. much trouble yet.
Not yet.
That's later.
This is a shakedown run.
Yes.
This is all this is.
To Ocala.
Huh?
To Ocala.
Yeah, right. Not much acceleration in fourth. Just the big tires, 16.
Yeah.
But
That's okay.
I still got, I mean, we're going uphill. I can maintain a little bit.
Yeah, it's like we're losing speed.
Yeah.
Does. Seats are nice and comfy too.
Seats are comfy. I think we got transmission problems, so.
Yeah. It's okay.
I'm hearing whining, and it does not like going in second, third, and fourth. That was floored, second and third. Smaller tires.
Yeah.
Tilt it up.
Oh, there we go.
No matter how I push that clutch in, it always grinds on third gear.
They'll be fine.
I got the clutch adjusted out. Pushing the clutch all the way in, all the other gears are fine, but going into third, it always grinds. But it's only third though.
Yep.
Benefit with smaller rear tires.
Definitely.
I mean, not so much narrower, just smaller diameter.
Yeah.
This little 1600 and stock transmission, trying to turn those big tires just takes so much horsepower.
It does.
Up here, I want to see what the engine temp is so far. Turn too sharp. All right, let's get out and take a look and see what our temperature is, just out of curiosity. Not bad. It's pretty hot and humid today, so the fact that it's not doing, that's not horrible. I can deal with that. All right. It was 190, 193, something like that. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not terrible.
Nope. All right, well, let's cruise home.
Yeah.
First drive success. Love it. Now, as you heard, I mean, I know the tires are a bit big. Kind of clipping in here in a little bit. I'm hitting the inner side right here when I'm turning real sharp, but that's all right. Let's see here. Stock 1600 motor, supposedly. Running great. However, I am noticing that I've got a pushrod tube that's leaking. It's nothing horrible yet. They also don't look the best, so we'll probably go ahead and order some new ones and go do that eventually. She's running great. Oil pressure's good. Everything's good. However, stock's 1600 supposedly. Mystery. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Stock transmission and these big old 31s. She's definitely having a little issue going. Once you get going, it's not bad. I still had plenty more accelerator pedal when we were cruising 50, 55 in 4th gear. Still wasn't bad. If I was in 3rd, of course, I was just tacking out way too high. Because, you know, as you know, your rear tires are going to dictate your final drive gear ratio. Actually, all of the gears ratios, but whatever. So, we are legal. We're on the road. Everything's good. Seats were comfy. Oh, and this is the nice thing, too, about the seats. Is I actually have the 5-point harnesses still, so we're able to use those in these new seats. And this is nice too, they actually fold forward. I mean, sweet. Racing seats, 5-point harness, yeah, the back adjusts. I'm good. I like it, and I got them for a heck of a deal on Facebook Marketplace, so loving it. There we go, guys. Baja is on the road. Does it need things? Oh yeah, it still needs stuff. But that was the first shakedown run, so, you know, not bad. Oh, temperature-wise, I was actually shooting it in a different area. It's actually running about 185 degrees. So definitely running good. That was probably, I don't know, 7-8 mile round trip. Nothing major, but again, we needed a first inaugural run, shakedown run, to see what all is going on. Loving it. So we got some exciting stuff coming up with this. Hopefully things will continue to go well where we can actually do what we're trying to do. So guys, appreciate you sticking around. Thanks for being here. Have yourself a fantastic week. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Be good.